I should just pop in ever so often and say, oh, here's where I am right now. Because I currently have one war banner up. I've got Teal and Stowe. Pretty sure everyone should know how this game works by now. And if you don't, you see my items down there? Those are things I have on me. That syringe is soldier syringe. It basically gives me more attack speed. And that Tesla coil basically makes a shock effect around me. That little barbed wire, it surrounds me, and what it does is when enemies get near me or get inside the ring, they start taking damage. The ring around me, that is. Those vials increase life regen. That tooth is a monster's tooth. After killing an enemy, you heal from them. So you see that green circle that comes out of it? That is the vial doing its magic. That banner is the war banner. What it does is, it basically places war banners and they give you buffs. And I need to gather a lot of them to make the war banner effect area bigger. When you've got like two of them overlapping, you get a double effect. Okay, which one's gonna? These are gonna attack first. Or no, soon. Oh, it's here. Kills. Very much so. I feel like next time when I get like white first starting off, I should entirely just have war banners first to start off with. I always like having soldier syringe to start off with, so I have a little bit faster attack speed. I don't know. Let's under that update. Wait. That clover, it's 56 leaf clover. What it does is elite mobs now have a chance to drop items. But in this case, with what I have on, which is command, they'll drop little command blocks in which I can. They have a few tiers. There is tier 1, which is white, tier 2, green. Tier 3 is like use items, and tier 4, I believe, is like legendary stuff. Oh, elite stuff, and then tier 5 is like boss stuff, which can only be obtained by, of course, killing a boss. I'll show that off later. Well, I died! You've broken every bone in your body. Yes, I have. Time to do that again. Okay, let's see what I get. And of course I'm here again. Please tell me yes. Is it? No. No, it isn't. It is not. God damn it. Alright. That's not cool. Definitely not cool. Yeah, this is regular. I would start that teleporter just to make it have more action. Because right now, when it starts off, it is really boring. Oh my god, it's a bigger chest. Finally. Something that gives me a chance. If it gives me an item drop, I will take it. What are you going to give me, big chest? Yes. 56 leaf clover. Definitely. Oh gosh. Oh, it failed. How much time do I have in this? I have no idea. Alright, this is definitely Soja. No. I said I wanted to do Banner first. Definitely Banner, because Banner is like... I have no clue if people can hear me. Oh god. RIP headphone users. I have broken your ears. Oh, very useful. That's probably just gonna save me at some point. I guess not. I have tons of time. I don't know how long I have in this video, so, Yes, give me yo monies. Yes, sir. Woo! You have no idea what just happened. No one has any idea what just happened. Infusion is basically OP in this run. Because what happens is, every time you deal damage, well, every time you kill an enemy, you get +1 max health. That is very OP. Because in this run you're supposed to be like always low health. Like, I'm not supposed to start off with such low health. Okay. This, I need barbed wire. Oh my gosh. And then I go for... light shade. Yellow damage heals me. Let's just check you guys out. Okay, that'll do. I accept that. That'll do. Oh gosh. I may have that, but I don't have a use item, so I literally have to wait. Once this episode ends, I am going to wait until it revs up, and I have that use item, or I have like 2 or 3 leaf clovers, because elite mobs do not drop them too often. It's like a rare chance. Once this episode ends, you guys will get to see some good stuff. I can ramp this up all the way to ha 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 ha.